Hey YouTubers, No Gas Nico here. I want to do a quick review on this Amazon Basics outdoor smart plug. What it is, I'm using this right now for Christmas lights, and I kind of like it. It's kind of pretty robust. I've already been using it for a couple weeks now. I just thought I would do a quick little review, and it's a very simple plug. Got your standard 110 3-prong NEMA 515 plug end, and then it has 2 outlets. Now these are smart outlets. You can connect them to Amazon Alexa and you can control them individually. If you want to do what I do, I use it as a group. I created a group in my Amazon Alexa app, and it's called Christmas Lights. My indoor tree, I got smart plugs for that, and then I'm using this for my roof lights and my yard lights. So one plug is going to the roof to do my icicles, and the other plug is going to all my yard decorations out front. And one thing I like about this and being able to connect this with Amazon with Alexa is I can set this on a timer. Right now I have it set for an hour before dusk. It kicks on my Christmas lights. I don't even think about it. Every day kicks them on. And I have it set for midnight, turn everything off. That way I'm not burning all that electricity all night long when everybody's sleeping and nobody's enjoying the lights anyway. So I'm able to set the time. You can set the parameters however you like. If you want them to go all night long, you can set a dusk to dawn timer through your Alexa app. Whatever you want to do. It's basically endless. So another nice thing is, let's say your Wi-Fi's down for some reason, your internet's down, and you cannot control your lights. It's got a couple buttons right here for each one of the outlets. You can go here and manually turn it on and off. Now when we're all done with Christmas, I got a few things that I'm going to use this for. One mainly is I have a block heater on my Kubota, and struggles to start. I have a video installing that Kubota. If you want, I'll put a link in the description. But I'm going to run an extension cord to the Kubota off of this, and when I'm ready to use the Kubota an hour before, I will just turn it on with my app with my phone, or I can tell my Amazon device that I have, just say, Alexa, turn on block heater, and boom, block heater will turn on, and go out to the Kubota, be ready to rock and roll. So anyway, I like it. I don't really see any drawbacks. I had one time where it disconnected from the network, and I had to completely remove the device and then reinstall it, and it's been working fine ever since. This full disclosure is I'm not using a normal Wi-Fi. I'm using a cellular hotspot as my home Wi-Fi. Live out in the country, and I think that's giving me issues with all my smart devices because you can only have so many devices connected to that. So I do plan on getting regular Wi-Fi. It's just really slow in my area, so I didn't really want to pay the money, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get it just so I can run these smart devices. I'm getting too many devices to run off of cellular. So anyway, enough about that. It's Amazon Basics. I'll put a link in the description. This is not a sponsored video. I don't make any money off this. If you click on the link and buy it, I don't make any money. So that's just for your benefit. So you can go right to it and click on it. And again, control it with your phone. Control it with your Echo Dot, Echo Show, whatever you have. You can go ahead and control this device with that. So yeah, I like it. For the money, what it does. If you like smart devices, this would be a good addition. All right, so I'm going to go outside here in a little bit, and I'm going to turn the lights on with my device so you can see this in action, and so see that it works. Like I said, normally I have it on a timer, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on so you can see it, and I will use it with my cell phone and just tell Alexa to turn on the Christmas lights, and she'll pop them on. I'll tell her to turn them off. She'll turn them off, and that's it. Again, I'm not going to wait for a timer. I'm not going to wait for dusk for you guys to see it come on by itself. Just know if you have a smart device, you know it works. So, all right, let's go outside and give this a test so you can see it. All right, outside in front of my house. Here I am. Alexa, turn on Christmas lights. There you have it. All right, thanks for watching, and God bless.